Are you looking for a hair mask to promote hair growth, to strengthen your hair, and to thicken your hair? You also want it to be all natural ingredients hair mask? Then keep watching to see how you can make one. Hi family, today I'm going to be making hair masks. I will be using flax seeds, bay leaf, hibiscus, cloves, rosemary, and fenugreek. Yeah, I know it's a lot. I do know it's a lot. So all these ingredients here have many great benefits for the hair. I'm going to be starting off with a half cup of the flaxseed gel. And then I'm going to be using a tablespoon of the hibiscus. Welcome to all those who are here for the very first time. This is what I love to do. I love to make natural products for our hair. All right. So welcome. Please don't exit this channel without smashing that subscribe button. Now this is the cloves. I'm going to be using just about this much amount of cloves. This is the dried rosemary leaves or rosemary sprigs. I'm going to be using about this amount of rosemary. This is the fenugreek. Now with the fenugreek, you don't want to use a lot because this thing really swells, all right? Once you get in water or hot water, it swells a lot. So you don't want to use a lot. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the fenugreek. To all my returning family members, welcome. I love you guys so much. Thank you always for the support. I really do appreciate you guys. Now this is the bay leaves. Bay leaf is really, really good for your natural hair. If you are experiencing hair thinning, you can use this natural leaf to restore your hair, to condition your hair, to clean your scalp. Bay leaves are really amazing for the hair. So I'm going to be using about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bay leaves. I have 2 cups of water here. However, I'm going to need more. So I'm just going to put this here and get more water. That's 2 cups. I'm going to get 2 more cups or maybe 1.5 more cup of water. So stay tuned. I have 1.5 cups. You know what, family? I don't think I need to keep this. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Why am I even thinking on keeping this? So let me just put this in here, okay? This is our mixture. This is what we have here. So let's transfer this to the stove top. All right, family, so the stove top is already on. I'm going to set this on here, and I have this set on high, but once it starts to simmer or boil, I'm going to lower the stove top. It is looking just fine. I am going to be turning this off, and I'm going to let the gel cool down for maybe 5 more minutes. All right, so I've turned it off. I'm going to set it right over here to let it cool down for at least 5 more minutes. After it has cooled down, I'm going to be blending all of my mixture here. You can strain the gel as is, but I'm going to be blending to get everything out of these ingredients. All right, family, here's the mixture. It's time to blend it. It has cooled down a little bit. I'm going to pour this in here. Here's how it's looking. I'm going to be straining it using my stocking cap. All right, I have 2 here. I just doubled it. Hey y'all, I already thought I was recording, but I actually wasn't recording. I just realized that. Oh my god. So yeah, what I use to strain, I use my stocking cap, and I just pour the mixture into the stocking cap and strain it. All right, this is what I have here. There are still some particles in here, so I'm going to be using my strainer to kind of get rid of all the particles. So this is what I have here. I have 1 more ingredient to add to this. I'm going to be adding this my herbal oil. I made this herbal oil last week. If you didn't get to see that video, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. you can check it out and see how you can make your herbal oil. All right, so I'm just going to put a little bit of the herbal oil in here. This is the hair max. Normally the flaxseed is not this brown. It is because of the extra ingredients that I added to it, such as the hibiscus, cloves, bay leaves, fenugreek. Yeah, so the gel is not usually this brown. If you want to use the gel as is, I have a video of how I prepare the flaxseed gel. This is just to boost the flaxseed gel and kind of like fortifying my hair max with extra ingredients other than just using the flaxseed. It's time for application. Alright, y'all, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you all for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this hair mask. Again, thank you all for stopping by. I'll catch you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Love you guys. Bye.